Imagine walking into your home, pressing a single button, and instantly filling the room with your favorite music or podcast. This is exactly the idea behind the IKEA Solskydd Bluetooth speaker, a compact and portable speaker designed to blend seamlessly into your home while delivering clear and surprisingly powerful sound. The speaker connects easily with your phone, laptop, or any Bluetooth-enabled device, making it convenient for everyday listening whether you're relaxing alone, working on your laptop, or hosting friends for dinner. One of the standout features is its multi-speaker mode, which allows you to connect multiple compatible IKEA Bluetooth speakers together, so the same music can play throughout different rooms, creating a more immersive home audio experience without complicated setup. Another interesting addition is the Spotify tap function, which lets you press a single button to instantly continue playing the music you were listening to earlier. And if you press it again, it can even generate new tracks based on your listening habits, making music discovery surprisingly simple. In terms of sound performance, the Solskydd speaker delivers balanced audio that feels clear enough for podcasts and casual music listening. Though like most small portable speakers, it may not replace larger home audio systems for people who want deep bass or very high volume levels. The design is minimal and clean, which helps it blend into most home decor styles rather than standing out like a typical tech gadget. Overall, the IKEA Solskydd speaker focuses more on convenience, portability, and simple multi-room audio rather than extreme power, making it an interesting option for people who want an easy-to-use Bluetooth speaker that can expand into a multi-speaker setup across the home while keeping the listening experience smooth, flexible, and practical.